The Sealey Drill Bit Guide. Whether you need a quantity of one size of drill bit or a full selection, Sealey has the solution. The range includes general purpose high-speed steel. These have 118-degree point tips for softer materials such as mild steel or cast iron. Fully ground high-speed steel. These have 135-degree split point tips, which create larger chips for quicker penetration and self-centering. High-speed steel cobalt fully ground. These are manufactured from high-speed steel with 5% cobalt, making them ideal for harder materials. These have 135-degree split point tips too, for quicker penetration and self-centering. All three versions are designed for efficient, clog-free swarf clearance. Sealey drill bits are manufactured to DIN 338 and are available in both metric and imperial sizes. The Sealey range of drill bits. Quality, variety, and great value for money.